Today's editorial makeup look is going to be based on Disney's Cruella de Vil character. Now, how does one translate this into a creative makeup look, you say? Well, let's break down the process. There are three main colors in Cruella's looks. Black and white are the prominent ones, and then there's that statement red lip. The first time I ever saw Cruella on screen was in the 101 Dalmatians movie released in 1996. I do remember I was a bit terrified of her, but who isn't? So today for the eye look, I'm focusing the design on a Dalmatian print, which honestly looks really similar to a cow print, except with smaller clusters and are less spread out. Making sure that the pigment will stick, I did use a very bright eye primer base and just went in with pure white eyeshadow. I honestly didn't think I wanted to do a double eyeliner, but I messed up the angle on one side, so I just added another line to the other side, and now I'm in love with it, so things happen for a reason, I guess. Then I wanted to add some bling because Miss Cruella is so extra, so I bejeweled her up with some black rhinestones. I didn't want a perfectly symmetrical eyes because I like how Dalmatians all have really unique patterns on their fur, so this also made my life a bit easier not to make things harder by trying to make it symmetrical. To finish it off, I went with a bright red matte lip. And here's the look. I totally forgot to take photos of myself, so that's pretty sad. But hey, at least I made this banging video for you. If you like it, make sure to leave a comment on which movie I should do next and follow me for more. Also bonus, here's the fit for today. I'm going to get some boba in this, and I'll see you guys next time.